Elwasi mar kwedo sigana manyocha onyis kod wang' jowi mar BBC kotenore kod nek rowere e monj mar od bura dwe mar auchiel higa ma okalo. Riwruok mar oganda makelo kanyakla riwruoge maok mag piny mag sirkal Multi-Sectoral Forum for CSO owuok oko e golo pachgi. Riwruogno wacho ni sigana no ne otenore konchiel ka giyiero mana kuonde manyiso lit. Bende gimedo ni ne ok girango chal mar arita kwe, lwasi mar siasa kod historia mapachoka.
In as much as the story was told, there was also need for it to be packaged in a way that it could come out non-biased, because at this point it looks like it biased to only one side.
We are talking about contextualizing what actually happened. And we believe BBC has got the resources, the ability and the capability to drive and really do a proper investigation and put everything into context.
This statement seeks to provide the public and the international community with a balanced, factual and contextualized perspective to correct misrepresentations and to reaffirm Kenya's commitment to constitutional governance, human rights and responsible civic engagement. The documentary engages in a biased storytelling through omission of official dispersal orders and government appeals for calm, overemphasis on emotional testimonies without counterbalancing narratives, dramatic editing using slow motion, somber music, and inflammatory language like massacre and bloodbath.